We are going to be installing this Lutron brand switch. It would work through the internet with this bridge. This end would be connected to the router of the home or business. And this other cable will be connected to an outlet. And through this equipment that is connected to the router and this switch, we can control the lights in our home or business from anywhere we are. This switch also works with this Pico or remote control. And the same thing we do through this switch, we can do it through this Pico, like a three-way switch. It has a piece here in the back that sticks to the wall so it doesn't fall off. Let's turn it on and see. And if I press here, it should turn off. We can increase the intensity of the light and lower the intensity too. I want to turn it on again. If I want to turn it off, it goes completely down. If we do not want to have power in the lamp, there's another switch here. I'm going to leave it on. If I pull this switch out, the lamp runs out of power. And we can work here without problems. We press it again, and the power returns to the lamp. We press here, and we turn it off. If I press here, the light turns on, and I can turn it off by this if I press it here. I can turn on by the and turn off here. I press it and the light goes out. I turn on here. I'm turning off here. I turn on here. And I turn off here. I can increase the intensity from this, little by little. Or if this one is up, I can bring it down through this one here too. You see, I can go down, 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 or go up through this one here. You see, we control the light from both sides, exactly like a three-way. Let's turn off.